What's going on, YouTube? How y'all doing? Today I'm gonna go over the bullish pin bar pattern. I'm gonna chart it out and I'm gonna show you guys how I see it on TradingView. We're gonna also chart out SPY. So without further ado, like, share, and subscribe to this video. I don't waste anybody's time. We're gonna go straight into the video and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite setups. Okay, so right here we have Microsoft, and I'm gonna take some of these indicators off so you guys can see it more clear. So these white lines right here is kind of just representing, I like to mark my white lines as support so that way I don't forget, and it's on a daily time frame. And then my all-time highs, I like to mark it light blue. So you see right here on the daily, this is the 200 moving average, this thick yellow line, the 200 moving average. As you can see right here, let me get some of this gone. Boom, boom. All right, that's way better. All right, here we go. So if you look right here, SPY had earnings, not SPY, Microsoft had earnings this day right here. So the bottom on TradingView where you see E at, that's earnings. So every, 3 or 4 months, a stock have to report its earnings. So the stock went from 483 to as low as 442. And as you could see, it fell all the way down to below 393. And then right here, we have a pin bar from previous support at 397. So let's look up a pin bar. Bullish pin bar setup. Let's check it out. Let's see what we see. Okay. Got a good example right here. Okay, cool. Where's the image at? Okay, perfect, right here. As you can see here, we have a downtrend, right? So the stock fell down, pin bar right here, and then it goes up. And it formed, if you can see, it formed right here at support. So with these pin bars and hammers, what I'm realizing is if they touch VWAP, if they touch support or resistance, if they form they're powerful right there, and it's on the daily time frame. I used to try to use it on the 5-minute time frame, but I feel like the daily time frame is more powerful because it gives you the whole day. So what do we see right here? We see, let's get a trend line, right? So this previous support right here at 442, as you can see, we came all the way down here. Boom. And then right here, look like it's trying to make its way up. So boom. Let's kind of see, boom, boom. All right, so what do we see here? We see a downtrend, then we have a pin bar right here in the middle at support. So we have a pin bar right here, a bullish pin bar right here at support. And then it's even touching VWAP. That little dotted line, if y'all can see it or not, the dotted lines right here is the VWAP. That's the VWAP, and this right here is the support. So you can see right here we got the pin bar. And then we have this right here is a confirmation to get in. So we got above, you want to see it above 401. So it opened here at 399, when as low as 393, as high as 401. So this candle right here is the next candle where you want to be like, this candle is the candle that's going to confirm if you get in or not. So I'm making a YouTube right now. So if you see this candle right here, I'll be done in like 5 minutes. So if you see this candle right here, the second candle closes above the previous pin bar in wick. So this is the candle that's going to confirm if you should get in or not. So it's 2 entries you get in. You can get in the entry when the stock goes above. Let me go back to the chart. Better off. So it's 2 ways you can get in. And I'm gonna mark it out for you all too. Let me mark it out. Get my horizontal. I'm gonna make it let's make it green. So your entry can be above this wick right here, above this, or your entry can be right here. Let me see, above that. And this can be also your stop below that wick. This can be your stop about right here. So your entry can be above this, or your entry can be, and then your stop can be right here below this, or your entry could be right here after this candle. So let's go back there. Boom. Or your entry can be after this candle closes strong right here. So as you can see right here, you have pin bar, and this candle closes strong above the previous pin bar, and then it shoots up. So right now we're on this second candle, which is this, going up. So Microsoft, as you can see, I'm gonna go over it again. We have a downtrend, down, broke previous support, broke the other previous support as well. Then we have pin bar, forming that previous support and VWAP. And then next candle, we have a strong close above previous pin bar. And we have open up here at 404, close at 413. When it's hot, it's almost 15. So that's a good setup right here. I'm personally going to get into calls. I signaled it out in my chat as well. So let's go to my Discord and see if it loads. I'll signal this out as well in my chat. We just got into it today. So let me show y'all my Discord. So I got in right here, swing trade. So we got into Microsoft right here. Microsoft 415 call, February 27th. And then so far we was up high. Today was that 10%. So we still holding. I'm still holding contracts. I signaled out in my chat. And we got in about this candle right here. We're about at like 4, I want to say 11 or 12. So I'm gonna hold this overnight, see how it go. And then I'm gonna make a video as well next showing if the stock played out in our favor or the stock didn't play out in our favor. So even when you trade stocks, you can win and lose. You just want to trade setups that are high probability. Every setup is not going to be a win. Guaranteed there will be losses. But if we look at SPY as well on the daily, let's see, SPY is shown right here. Strong candle close over previous support, trying to break all-time highs here at 697. Let me get some of these indicators out the way. It's too much to look at once. Okay, boom. SPY is trying to break all-time highs here at 697. And also, let me open these back up. If you can look here on the trend line, we have a higher high right there, right? So higher high on the MACD RSI, trying to break all-time highs at 694. Now let's look at Microsoft, MACD and RSI as well. Confirmation right there. We showing bullish divergence on the MACD and RSI here, so you can see a lower high. And then when these get lighter right here, that means the volume for the downside is getting, like the buyers are coming in. You can see as it get darks right here and it gets larger, obviously the stock went down. Right? So you can see the candles too, that matches up with it. Next candle right here, larger, look like up, like kind of squarish shape, lower, lower, lower. As you can see right here with this pin bar, it got lighter. And then the next candle today, lighter. So hopefully we can get that break above 422, which is the next support. And we'll see where it goes from there. So hope you guys liked the video. Hope it was very helpful. Like, share, subscribe. The link will be in the description below to join my chat. And hope you guys enjoyed the Super Bowl and enjoying your rest of the week. And I'll make a video update to see how the setup plays out. Everybody have a nice day.